If you've been working on your pike position and if you're still hesitant about bailing or freestanding, this is for you. You want to have done the chest to the ball pelvic tilt drill before. Chest to the ball, we are going to go from a posterior pelvic tilt or a neutral pelvic tilt into an anterior pelvic tilt, sliding the feet down the wall as a result. You want to stop in that bottom position, trying to keep just the nails on that wall, but before performing a bail. The idea is to keep your pelvis out over the shoulder as you do so, instead of sagging it towards the wall, looking for the safety of the wall, which is very common as a beginner. Eventually, of course, we'll try not to stop, but for now, take as many seconds as you need to soothe your nervous system into the final position. Now make sure as well not to push on that wall or to yank your legs away from it for the sake of taking off. We always want to take off passively off the wall.